nag-vibrate yung saka sumabog yung from video, kita mo sumabog
Oo nga,
yung
sir.
glass.
Opo.
Talagang malakas ang ingay. So, yun lang nga, buti lang hindi nila ito tinuloy, nag-pull back na. It's still illegal and irresponsible actions ng China to illegally prevent us from doing our routine mission, resupply mission sa Ayungin.